Hi guys, today I'll be talking about how to use your electronic cigarette pen, your shisha pen, whatever you call it, how to use it. I'll be discussing and explaining in brief how you're going to use it and what you're supposed to expect when you get it. Before I go further, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I have two electronic cigarette pen here. I have the C5 electronic cigarette pen and I also have the Evod electronic cigarette pen. So I'm going to be using both as an example. So it really depends on which one you get in the market and which one you have. So I'm going to be talking about the features and the general properties they both possess. Then I'll also be explaining how to fill your e-liquid into each of this shisha pen. Okay, so when you get this shisha pen, these particular ones both come with a free e-liquid. Some don't. Some will come with the shisha pen alone. Then you have to get your e-liquid separately. Some will come with both like this. When you get an electronic cigarette pen, the first thing is you notice is it comes with a charger. This is the charger. It comes with the head. It comes with a battery, and some will come with the e-liquid. Some you have to get the e-liquid yourself. I hope you can see it. So this is the battery for the Evod. This is the head, and this is the charger. So it comes with these three. The CE5 also comes with the battery. C5 it comes with the battery. This is the battery. Comes with the battery. Comes with the head. And comes with the liquid. Like if you look closely, you notice that there's a difference between these two brands. But anyone will do. It depends on the prices are quite different, so it depends on the one you get. Okay, so when fully charged, both batteries will give you over 800 puffs before it goes down. After 10 seconds of continuous use, the battery will go off. It will cut off. So you leave it for a while, and after a few seconds, the device can be used normally again. So I'm going to tell you the features of each. This is the button. This is the button of the hookah. This is the button. This is the battery. So this is the button. Normally, when it's charged, the light will come up. So I'm going to charge it now. I'm using my laptop to charge because I don't have anything to use now. So I'm using my laptop. You can use your battery here. So I'm going to just plug it into my laptop and charge. Okay, so using the Evod as an example, using it as an example, this is the on button. You can see the blue indicator. It means that the battery is on. This has not been charged at all, so it's not coming on. So when you want to charge, you take the charger. So when you want to charge, you take the charger and the battery. In case you get an electronic cigarette pen that has been fixed already, what you do when you want to charge is, this is a hole. So what you do when you want to charge is to unscrew it. The down part is mostly where the battery is. So you get the charger. It comes with a charger. So you insert this head. You insert it to this and screw. After you screw, you plug it to your charging point. So you can see that the indicator is on, so it's showing that it is charging. Now it will take time for the indicator to come on the button. It will take time for it to come on. That means there's no battery in it, there's no power in it at all, so you have to like leave it for a few seconds and it will come on, then it will charge. After a while the battery will go off. Okay, so I'm going to leave that to charge while I explain other things. One of the features about this electronic cigarette pen is that how do you know it needs to be charged? Depending on the mode of the electronic cigarette pen, once you press it 10 to 15 times, the light is going to blink. So let's press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can see it blinked. So it means this needs to charge. It needs to charge very well. It needs to charge for a very long time for it to come out. So the charging hour depends on your mode too, but you can charge from 3 to 4 hours for full charge. When you plug your battery to charge, the button will flash 3 times and the charger indicator will turn red. This is the charger indicator. It will turn red when you charge. For example, I'm going to unplug this for you to notice what I'm going. Okay, so I'm going to unplug this for you to notice what I'm saying. So once you plug it in, the indicator will be green, then it will turn red. Then this will blink. I'm going to do that again so you can see. Just put your eye here. So this will blink 3 times. This will turn red. That means it is charging. Now when this turns green, it means it is fully charged. So you remove your charger and remove the battery, and this would happen maybe in 3 to 4 hours depending on how much power the battery holds at that time you charge. So I'm going to remove this now and I'm going to charge this one. So I'm going to remove I'm going to charge this one. So like I said earlier, you put the battery and the charger together and you screw. So this is going to take a while to come up because I've not charged it at all. So the indicator is green. It's still going to come up. So I'm going to leave this while it charges. Okay, so you can see the charging indicator is red and the battery indicator is blue, which means it has started charging. So I'm going to leave that for a while to charge. Okay, so I'm going to explain how to fill your e-juice into your electronic cigarette lighter. I'm going to use this e-juice. Okay, so when you open your e-juice, that's Eliquid. This is how it looks. This is the brand of the e-juice I have. So I'm going to use this to work on this. Okay, so the first thing you do is to take the head of the electronic cigarette pen, and this is the electronic cigarette pen. This is the top, this is the bottom of it. So you're going to unscrew this bottom. That is for the Evod, and I'm still going to show you how to fill the Eliquid for the Ce5. So you take your Eliquid and you take the Shisha pen head. Then you notice that there are 2 holes inside. I don't know if you can see it. There are 2 holes inside. There's an inner circle. There's a bigger one here. So what you do is to fill the e-juice into the side of the pen like this. Into the side. You press, and you have to be very careful so that this liquid will not spill into the center, it will not spill into the center. Try as much as possible so that it won't spill into the center. You can see it won't spill into the center. What you do is just to feel it, feel the side, this side. You can see where I'm pointing to. That is where you're feeling the side. You're not feeling, so I'm going to feel it now. I don't know if you can see it. I'm just going to feel it a bit because I don't want to waste my juice. So for this one, you can feel up to here and just leave it. So that would be all. Then you take your battery. You can see the way I feel. I just feel the side. If you put the e-juice in between here, if you put the e-juice here, if you put the e-juice in the center, it is going to come out here. So it will just be as if you're wasting your e-juice. You can see some is out already. So it will come out back here. It will come out back here. So we don't want that. So you feel the side, not the middle. So once you're through, you put back this that you removed in the first place. Put it back inside and screw. After you screw, you put back the battery. You put the battery and also screw the battery. That is all for now. So that is all. So the e-juice is in there. It's just a bit, but to go along with. So once you screw it, it is ready to use now. When fully charged, this can be used for over 800 puffs. So be ready to use this now. That is all for this. So I'm going to explain for this. It's not fully charged, but I'm going to use it like that to explain how to fill in the e-liquid into this one. So to fill the e-liquid to the CE5, this is quite different from the Evod. The Evod, we screwed the lower part, but for the Evod we unscrewed the lower part, but for the CE5 we're going to unscrew the upper part. So you can see I've unscrewed it. So you're going to put the e-liquid at the side, not the center too. Still going to put it at the side of the. So I'm not going to put the e-juice here, but you just put it at the side. The side. You can see the way I'm touching it this side. You make sure the e-juice does not get into this place. Doesn't get into the middle side. So you fill it to about 1.6. This 1.6 mark. Once you fill it up to this, it is okay. Then you put it back. Then you screw this back too. And your e-juice is ready to use. So that is it. That is all for now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.